Guys, it's Kharyzma, and today I have this review of this beginner-friendly headband wig, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so the wig comes in this package just like this. It says Tiny Lana, and I'm going to be reviewing the 22-inch body wave synthetic wig from Amazon, and the company again is Tiny Lana. So yeah, so it comes in this pink package just like this, very simple. It comes with this headband, and it comes with this wig cap, but I'm not going to be using this wig cap. I already have a wig cap on, and this is the unit. Now I took it out before so it doesn't have the hairnet over it, but this is what it's looking like. So this wig is very long. It has a lot of density. I have to look in the description on Amazon because this is one of the cheaper wigs, so they don't put so much information about it. But I think this one is 22 inches, and this is a headband wig. So, and it is jet black. I'm not used to wearing jet black. I normally wear like a 1B. This looks like it's a 1. So it's like jet black. My natural hair actually is like a dark brown. Like, people have made comments on YouTube thinking that I put henna in my hair, and I've never colored my hair with henna or with anything in my entire life. So let me put this on. Okay, so this is the wig cap right here, which is under. Now this one comes with 4 combs. I'll put it inside out for you. 4 combs on the inside, 1 on the front, and 1 on each of the sides, and 1 in the back. And it also has a strap that you can adjust, you know, for your own head size. So rule of thumb, if there's a comb in the front, you just try to align it with your nose. And then I'm gonna put the back clip in, and then the side clips. There's one right here, just like this. Okay, so now this is the headband portion, where you just take both of the headband straps, and there's Velcro on the back, see here, and then you're gonna attach that on the back, and you can adjust it to your liking. So normally when I do that, I just like to put it back some and then play around with my own hair. Now, this is more hair than I'm used to. Like, I think this one is like 22 to 24 inches. Again, they were not very descriptive in the description box, and this wig was only $10. I think the price has gone up since then. So let me comb through it so you can see. Yes guys, this wig now is very dramatic. Like, this is not for the people who like just, you know, are starting out and they're scared to go long and da. No, this is for those who want a little more drama and they don't care about the length, because it is long. It's long, and this is a body wave. Okay, so before I go through showing you the length and everything, I'm gonna just use my hair tie to hold the hair out of the way. This is a lot of hair, and what I'll do is I'll measure it, and then I'll just put the information in the description box. So you want to have some of your hairline showing so it could look natural. Now I'm going to be using some edge control, and this is the Argan Oil Perfect Edges by Creme of Nature, which I really love. It really gets the job done. I don't have to do too much because you see my edges already laid down anyway, thanks to my scarf that I had on. prior. Like I do a pretty good job of laying down my hair just a little. This is supposed to be for like beginners. The headband wigs are very easy, as you can see. You don't have to do much. You don't have to worry about lace or anything like that. So if you want to, like, you know, do a little something. I'm not the best with baby hair, guys. I promise. I will practice, but I am not the best. I can do it on other people though. It's weird. It's weird. It's weird. And the funny thing about it is my mom used to do my baby hair when I was a baby and had baby hair. Like, because I do have baby hair. I don't have a lot. That's why I never really focused on doing baby hairs. I know people like take their real hair and try to make it into baby hair. Like, I just don't have time for all of that. Like, I like to look cute. I like to look pretty. I like to look dainty, but I don't like to take a lot of time to do it. So I try to find ways to help me. Okay, so that's as much as I'm gonna do. And then I usually just pull, you know, because I don't want a whole headband. You know, sometimes people pull the headband down farther. It's up to you, but this is how I like to do it. Now, if you want your wig to kind of like go towards the back, let's see what I'm gonna do. Brush it some. Yeah, guys, this is dramatic. This is long body wave. I have to stand up. Let me show you. Look. It's pretty though. It's really pretty. Yeah, and that's really it, guys. Okay, guys, so this is what it's looking like. This is super, super, super long. As a matter of fact, I do have a tape measure. I'm gonna measure it right now. Let's see. I'm gonna start from the middle and then just go to here. This looks like it's about 26 inches. 26 inches, that's pretty long. I might end up cutting it. This is quite long. I'm not really into these long wigs, but I thought I would just show you variety, guys. This is a $10 wig from Amazon, and you don't have to break the bank. It's something that's affordable, stylish, and cute. So this is what it's looking like. Okay, so I think I'm actually gonna use some of this to hold it in place because this is a lot of hair. I'm gonna brush it back and then I'm gonna take some of this, just a little bit, like rub it around so it's spread evenly on your hands, and then I'm just gonna do like this to kind of like, so that it's not moving all around in your face. It's a lot of hair. That's what the wax sticks help to do. Yeah, that way you don't have so many flyaways and you don't have so much flyaways. This is kind of, yeah, this is awesome. This is keeping it in place. You see what it's doing, right? Yeah, this part stays. Yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So that part, it can stay behind however you want it, and it could lay down more flat. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I will probably take off like this much, maybe 4 inches. There. So with this, you can also wear it with the headband that they sent. And this is similar because this is the same company that I did the review on for the deep wave. So they happen to send the same kind of headband for this one. And you can put this in a ponytail as well. If this is just like too much hair, you can take it and just put it in a low ponytail, you know? Because some people may not want all of that hair all over the place. That's one way that you could do it. See? Or you could just wear it out like that. This is super long. Again, this is for those of you who want like something really dramatic. And depending on the photos that you want to take, or if you're like an influencer, you know, or if you're going somewhere really nice and, you know. But I think I'm gonna cut some off, but this is what it's looking like. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna be putting up more videos like this because I have lots of companies reaching out to me to do reviews. So let me know if you like it. Let me know what you change about it. I know it's kind of long, but I want to get a good variety out for you guys so that you can see what you can work with, what you might like, what you might not like, and so on and so forth. So thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma for You Style and Kharyzma for You Fashion. If you like the lip gloss that I'm wearing, this one is my Coffee Vibes from my Fall Vibes collection at charyzmaforyou.com. And this is what it's looking like. And it smells like coffee, so give my website a look, charyzmaforyou.com. And thank you guys for watching. I love you all.